In this quick Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to vertically align UI buttons instantly using a built-in layout tool. No manual positioning needed. First, open Roblox Studio and go to your Screen Guy inside Starter Guy. Insert a frame if you don't already have one. This will hold your buttons. Now right-click the Frame, Insert Object, Text button. Now change button color if you want to. Duplicate that button a few times so you have multiple buttons to align. You'll notice they're all overlapping. Let's fix that in one click. Select the frame that contains your buttons. Right-click, Insert Object, UIListLayout. Boom, your buttons are now automatically stacked vertically. With UIListLayout selected, you can adjust padding for spacing between buttons, horizontal alignment to center them, vertical alignment for positioning inside the frame. This is the fastest way to keep UI clean and organized in Roblox.